Hello and welcome back to the channel Understanding.Concepts.Of.Physics. Keep showing your love towards the channel and keep watching the videos as you have been doing so. Today we are going to do something regarding maximum and minimum acceleration. Hope you would like and enjoy and also learn a few things in this video as well. In case you have not subscribed the channel as of now, please subscribe the channel. In case if you are new to the channel, I would like to say that this is a channel where I would be teaching physics and concepts of physics in order to understand in a better manner. You can just text me your requests and doubts and difficulties into the comment section. Now today we are starting with maximum acceleration. Now maximum acceleration, if I wish to find out, I will be using an equation which I have already derived. Acceleration is equal to minus omega square x. This I have been deriving in one of the notes. If you see the notes, I'll just show you where I have derived it. Okay, so this is that where the acceleration has been derived, and there is one more point, one more place where I have derived this acceleration ka equation. So I am using that equation over here. So acceleration is minus omega square x, and at extreme position. Now at extreme position, the value of x is plus or minus a. Now so you should note that why I am doing for maximum acceleration at extreme position. So going back to the diagram, if you see this diagram, you will find out that at the extreme position the particle was going this side and then it turned back to its original direction, like the opposite direction. So there was this velocity pointing towards the right, now the velocity is pointing towards the left. So the maximum change in velocity is at the extreme position, and we all know that acceleration is nothing but dv by dt, that is the change in velocity with respect to time, is what is called as an acceleration. That's the reason you will find out that the acceleration will be maximum at the extreme position, either it be positive extreme or it could be negative extreme. And the second aspect which you should note is at positive extreme the value of x is plus a, or at negative extreme x ka value is minus a, and at mean position the value of x would be 0. Knowing this, we come back again to our maximum and minimum acceleration ke derivation pair. So x is equal to plus minus a. If I put that value over here, I will get o minus omega square plus minus a. So that will give me maximum acceleration as plus minus omega square a. Now plus minus why? Because there is a chance that the acceleration will be positive and there is a chance that the acceleration would be negative if it is going in the opposite direction. So that's why we are getting maximum acceleration ka formula as this. Now for minimum acceleration, I just have to do it for mean position. So for minimum acceleration, the acceleration is, the basic formula is minus omega square x, and I am doing it for mean position. So mean position per x ka value is 0. You can just rewind the video and see the diagram and you will find out x is equal to 0 is at the mean position. So if x is equal to 0, 0 into anything goes to 0. So the everything goes to 0 and I get acceleration to be as 0. So to conclude, I have got like this, acceleration, minimum acceleration is 0 and it is at mean position, and maximum acceleration is plus minus omega square a at that happens at the extreme position. Now few things you should note that one is the minimum of everything like displacement, velocity and acceleration is 0. Yes, they might be at different positions, but yes, minimum is equal to 0. So if I wish to conclude over here, then I can just simply write minimum, maximum, displacement, velocity, acceleration. Now minimum displacement is 0, minimum velocity is 0 and minimum acceleration is 0, and maximum displacement is plus minus a, velocity is plus minus omega a, and acceleration is plus minus omega square a. So if you check this out, you have no omega over here, you have 1 omega over here, and you have 2 omegas over here. Yes, the positions might be different for different one. Like the displacement is minimum at the mean position and it is maximum at the extreme position. The velocity is maximum at the extreme position, minimum at the extreme position and maximum at the mean position. And acceleration is minimum at the mean position and acceleration is maximum at the extreme position. Note that wherever displacement is maximum, acceleration is also maximum. Whereas the displacement is minimum, the acceleration is also minimum. And velocity always works opposite to that of displacement and acceleration. So you can just freeze that video and you can just take down the notes of that. Thank you so much for watching. In case you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. Keep watching the videos. Watch regularly and completely in order to get the most out of the lecture series. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. All the best.